today's move catch you by surprise. Don't worry, the sky is not falling. I promise you. Here's the deal. Our traders were prepared, waiting, anticipating to take advantage of today's move, and we did, to the tune of about 60 points to the downside on the S&P, 600 points to the downside on the Dow, and there's more to come. We're going to do a special broadcast tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern. Go to eminitrainingschool.com, get signed up. We'll send you the link to that special broadcast, and we'll plot our course as the phoenix rises from the ashes. See you there. eminitrainingschool.com.